Hello guys, my name is Rutvik and in this video we are going to talk about EDA, means Exploratory Data Analysis. So why it is so useful, and in this Exploratory Data Analysis what are we going to do? So first of all, if we talk about its usefulness, so if you watch my previous video called Data Science Life Cycle, then you remember that there is a one step called data cleaning and visualization. And also in that video, I told you that most of the data scientists spend their 80% of time to do this task, right? To visualization, we have exploratory EDA part, and we have a library called matplotlib or cbom. So in this video we are going to talk about matplotlib. So what is the matplotlib library and what kind of plots matplotlib library provide to us? So first of all, matplotlib library is mainly used to plot a graph, and with the help of this graph we can identify the relationship between input variables and output variables. Now, what is the input variables and what is the output variable here? Input variables means the variables which are used through model through ML model to predict output. And if we talk about the output, so here we can say that on the basis of input variable, whatever value we get, variable values we get, that is called output variable. Clear? Okay, so we will discuss input variable and output variable in a brief in our upcoming videos. So now we move to our second question, that what kind of plots matplotlib library provide to us. So first of all, line plot. So very basic plot when we have a numerical values, numerical continuous values on the both side, in a x-axis and in a y-axis. At that time we can use line plot. Suppose we also use in a say scatter plot in the same scenario, right? After that we have another plot called box plot. As an input variable we have continuous variable, continuous value, and as an output variable whenever we have a categorical data. Right? So at that time we can use box plot. I will describe what is a continuous and what is a categorical data in this video. Fourth one is pair plot. Pair plot has some limitation, but I will describe the whole pair plot in my upcoming videos. So as a fifth plot, we have a violin plot, right? sixth plot, we have a hist plot. As a seventh, we have a bar plot. Eighth, contour plot. Okay, and ninth, counter plot. Okay, so these are some of the basic plots that used by data scientists, right? Okay, so this is all about matplotlib and EDA. In the next video, we are going to talk about line plot in a brief. Okay, so thank you for the watching and stay tuned for the next video.